If you want to know how to log into your Gmail account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and fast way. Whether you are signing in for the first time, switching between accounts, or you just need a quick reminder, this guide will help you get into Gmail without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to the Gmail website by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you directly to the Gmail sign-in page. If you are not already signed in, you will see the Google sign-in screen. Here, enter your Gmail address in the email field. Make sure you type it correctly, including the full address. After that, click Next. On the next screen, enter your password in the password field, then click Next again. If you are already signed in to another Google account, you may need to switch accounts first. In that case, click the profile picture in the top right corner of the page, then click Add another account. This lets you sign in with a different Gmail account without logging out of the current one completely. Once the account switch screen appears, enter the Gmail address you want to access and click Next. Now type in your password carefully. If you make a mistake, just re-enter it and try again. After you click Next, Google may ask for additional verification depending on your security settings. This could be a code sent to your phone, a prompt on another device, or another confirmation step. If that happens, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. Once the login is successful, your Gmail inbox will open automatically. From here, you can read emails, send messages, manage labels, and use all of your Gmail features as normal. If you are trying to access a work or school account, the process is almost exactly the same, as long as your organization allows access through Gmail. If you ever forget whether you are signed in already, you can always check the profile icon in the top right corner. That's usually the fastest way to see which account is currently active or to add a second account. And if you are logging in on a shared computer, it's a good idea to sign out when you are finished to help keep your account secure. So to quickly review, open your browser, go to Gmail, enter your email address, click Next, enter your password, complete any verification if required, and your Gmail inbox will load. It really is that simple once you know the steps. If this video helped you log into your Gmail account, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more quick how-to guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.